Ooh, what's going on, guys? It's Gino from Modern Accessory Review, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize your own icons with the iOS 14 update to make your home screen look like this, or really anything you want it to look like. The first thing you'll want to do is go to canva.com on your laptop or download the Canva app on your iPhone, and then you'll want to go to the search bar right here and type Instagram post, because that is going to give us a square template that is the perfect size for our icons. After that, you can go to the left side of the screen and press on Elements. Now Canva has all kinds of different elements and will have almost all of the icons you need for completely free. And for the example here, let's go ahead and type in Instagram in the Elements search bar, and as you can see, there's tons of different icons we can use. I'm going to click on the first one right here, and as you can see, right when I click on it, it transfers right onto our template. Next, I usually edit the size up to 611 with the width and height, and in the top left corner, we can actually change the colors. We have tons of different color options, and you can really pick whatever you think would go the best with your home screen. I think I'm going to keep it more basic and make the background black and make the Instagram logo white. Now, once you are done, all you have to do is press download in the right corner here and then tap download again. And now that we have it downloaded to my laptop, I'm going to go ahead and airdrop it to my iPhone real quick. So now that you have your icon downloaded to your phone, all you have to do is go to the search bar and type in shortcuts and then click on it. You will want to tap on the plus icon in the top right and then tap add action. And then you will press scripting, press open app, and then tap choose and search for the app that you made the icon for. Since we made an Instagram icon, we will go ahead and type Instagram and click on it. And then in the bottom right, you will click the share button, which is that little square with the arrow going through it, and then tap add to home screen. And then next we will rename it Instagram. And tap on the icon and press choose phone and click on the Instagram icon we just made and tap choose and then hit next. And then type Instagram again and press done. And now when you go back to your home screen, your new icon should be right there. It is actually a fairly easy process, and once you get the hang of it, it goes by a little bit quicker, and pretty much all you have to do is rinse and repeat with each icon you make. And I'll go ahead and make one more icon for you guys so you can get a better understanding of how to do it. So I'm going to go back to the Canva and actually make a Snapchat icon this time. So I'm going to look up Snapchat under the Elements section. And I like this one, so I'm going to click on it, and I'm actually going to make it the same exact colors as the other icon I made. And then I'm going to press download and then hit download again. And then I'm going to airdrop it to my phone from my laptop just like last time. And then you're going to want to go to the search bar and type in shortcuts. And then once you're on shortcuts, you will press the plus icon in the corner and tap add section, then scripting, open app, then press on choose and type in Snapchat and select it. Then press the square icon with the arrow going through it, which is the share button, and tap add to home screen. And then you will type in Snapchat, then click add, next, and done. And now we have two icons on our home screen, and as you can see, it's a fairly easy process. Now, if you want the icon I have in the top left section of my home screen here, all you have to do is download an app called Widgetsmith, which is completely free on the App Store. So yeah guys, that's how you customize your home screen in your widgets, and it's really fun to mess around with, and I really like the concept of it. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure to drop them down in the comments below and I will make sure to get back to you. But with all of that being said, thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!